Think working out at home is enough to get fit? Here's the truth. Most beginners don't fail because they don't exercise. They fail because they're doing the exercises wrong. And those mistakes can actually slow your progress or even lead to injury. Today, I'm going to show you the right way to build strength from home, even if you're starting from zero. Let's be honest, when most people start working out at home, they copy random videos, rush through reps, and believe that sweating means success. But here's the question. What if just changing your technique could make every workout twice as effective? Stick around, because one simple adjustment you'll learn later can completely change how your body feels during every exercise. Before we jump into the workout, let's fix the biggest mistakes. Mistake number 1, moving too fast. Fast reps don't build muscle. Controlled movement does. Imagine trying to write your name while running. It wouldn't look very good, right? Your muscles work the same way. They need control, not chaos. Mistake number 2, forgetting to brace your core. Your core isn't just your abs. Think of it as the foundation of a skyscraper. If the foundation is weak, the whole building becomes unstable. Without core tension, every exercise becomes harder and riskier. Mistake number 3, chasing quantity over quality. Would you rather do 50 sloppy squats or 10 perfect ones that actually strengthen your legs? Exactly. Today we'll use 4 beginner-friendly exercises. No equipment needed. But here's the secret. Don't just copy the movement, understand it. Exercise 1, squats. Most beginners bend their knees first. That's the mistake. Instead, push your hips back first, as if you're sitting into an invisible chair. Keep your chest proud. Look straight ahead. Feet about shoulder width apart. Lower until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor. Then, drive through your heels to stand back up. Feel the difference? Now your glutes and legs are doing the work instead of stressing your knees. Exercise 2, push-ups. Can't do a full push-up yet? No problem. Start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups against a wall. But here's what almost everyone gets wrong. They let their hips sag. Remember the skyscraper? Keep your body in one straight line from shoulders to knees, or shoulders to heels if doing full push-ups. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower slowly. Elbows about 45 degrees from your body. Push the floor away. Not only will you feel stronger, you'll also protect your shoulders. Exercise 3, glute bridge. This exercise looks easy until you do it correctly. Lie on your back, feet flat, knees bent. Now squeeze your glutes before lifting your hips. Don't arch your lower back. Imagine your body becoming a straight bridge. Hold for 1 second at the top, then lower slowly. That squeeze is the difference between working your glutes and simply moving your hips. Exercise 4, plank. Here's the biggest surprise. A 1-minute bad plank is less effective than a 20-second perfect plank. Place your elbows under your shoulders. Keep your body straight. Pull your belly button gently toward your spine. Squeeze your glutes. Breathe normally. Don't hold your breath. Imagine balancing a glass of water on your back. Would it stay there? If yes, you're doing it right. Now here's the trick most beginners never hear. Don't count reps, count quality. Every repetition should look exactly like the first one. The moment your form starts falling apart, stop. Because muscles don't count, they only respond to tension. And another tip, slow down the lowering phase. Gravity is free resistance. Use it. That's where real strength begins. Let's quickly recap. Move slowly. Keep your core tight. Focus on perfect form. Control every rep. Stop before your technique breaks. Now here's your challenge. Complete 10 perfect squats, 8 controlled push-ups, 12 glute bridges, a 20-second plank. No rushing, no cheating, just perfect form. You'll be surprised how much harder and more effective it feels. Remember, Fitness isn't about being better than someone else. It's about becoming stronger than you were yesterday. If you practice these fundamentals consistently, your body will reward you with strength, confidence, and results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next workout.